So today's topic is what? Geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite. Okay.
రోహిత్ నేను ఆన్ చేసేసాను వీడియో అమోల్ బేడ్కేది అదే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు క్లాస్ ఆన్ చేశాను
Right. Geostationary satellite. So first of all, what is the geostationary satellite? Okay. See here. If the period of revolution
is equal to the revolution of Earth is known.
Yes, very good. If the period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation
of the Earth.
Yes, of Earth. Okay. What is the definition? Period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of Earth. Now let's see diagrammatically. Now suppose this is a Earth, and how this geostationary satellite revolves around the Earth, I am showing with one orbit. You can see here. You can see here, this is what the satellite is. Right. So this geostationary satellite will move like this. Okay.
yes sir
Now what are the conditions for the geostationary satellite that we are going to learn now? Understood now how it is rotating? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So see here conditions. So number 1 point. First of all, what should be the height of the orbit? Okay. What should be the height of the orbit? Now see, if we will see the centripetal force, because this is circular orbit, okay, although I have drawn, so I will reduce little bit, it should be little bit circular. But as it is rotating now, that's why it is, what you can say, looking like elliptical, but it is circular orbit nearly. Okay, like this. And now here, if we will see the centripetal force at this point and gravitational force, centripetal force should be equal to gravitational force, because we know gravitational force provides necessary centripetal force, and that's why it rotates around the Earth in one particular orbit. Now centripetal force formula is what? Centripetal force formula we know, sir, mv naught square by r. Can I write like this? M r plus h into omega square. How you got this? Here, mv square by r plus h. Why not r? Because it is at height h, and from center of earth it is r plus h. Now v is equal to r omega is there na? Yes or no? We know v is equal to r plus h into omega in this case. If we will square here, m into omega square r plus h whole square divided by r plus h. This r plus h and this square will get cancelled, and hence we will get m r plus h omega square. This is equal to gravitational force, you know what is that? G m divided by r plus h whole square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Now I'm cancelling this m and m. Okay, so what I'm getting? R plus h. Okay, r plus h. This I am transferring here. So shall I write r plus h cube is equal to g m by omega square? Can I write like this? Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or else, if you want, you can transfer like this also. How? See here. This omega square you keep this side and you transfer this r plus h. Gm divided by r plus h whole cube. Okay? Understand? लेकिन हमें h चाहिए ना, इसलिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? r plus h cube here, omega square this side. Understood?
Understood, sir.
R plus h cube is equal to gm by omega square. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now see here. This omega is there na? This omega is equal to what rate? 2 pi by t formula. Yes. So if I will square on both sides, what I will get? Omega square is equal to bolo 2 pi by t whole square. And 1 by omega square I want means what rate? T by 2 pi whole square. Sahi hai?
Yes, sir.
Shall I substitute here now? Gm by or direct shall I write like this? Into t by 2 pi whole square. Koi doubt?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I write like this? So this is what? R plus h whole cube. Right? Now, if we will substitute the values of radius of Earth, mass of Earth, time period of revolution, and we will calculate, we will get h value how much? nearly 36,000 kilometer. Understand? Nearly how much? 36,000 kilometer after substituting the values. समझ में आया? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This side you can write somewhere. This is just for understanding. Okay. Right. टाइम पीरियड ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन कितना है आपको मालूम है ना? 24 आवर्स. मास ऑफ अर्थ मालूम है, सब कुछ मालूम है. यस और नो? मास ऑफ अर्थ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, कोई जरूरत नहीं है कैलकुलेट करने की. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप लेजर टाइम में कर सकते हो. जी कितना है मालूम है आपको? 6.67. ये तो सब मालूम. इंटू 10 टू द पावर -11. यस है ना? ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट.
यस सर.
टी क्या है? टी बोलो. टाइम पीरियड ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन है ना? कितना है? 24 आवर्स. आर तो आपको मालूम है 6400 है ना? रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ. यस. एनी डाउट?
No doubt.
Understood?
Yes sir.
So conditions number 1, how much it should be? How much height? Around 36,000 kilometers. Means it should rotate around 36,000 kilometers. So you can write here. Condition number 1 में आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. Height of the orbit हाँ बोलो. Above the earth surface is
36,000 kilometers.
around 36,000 kilometers. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
हाँ. Now one more point, you see how it is rotating ray. It will rotate from west to east. मतलब ये डायरेक्शन ऐसे इसका है ना रोटेशन का. ये कैसे रोटेट होता है? ऐसे है ना?
West to east, sir.
ईस्ट को. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it will not rotate from east to west, sir.
No, no, no. Like Earth only. How Earth rotates, like that only it will rotate. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ. हो गया. Shall I go to the next page?
1 minute, sir.
If you want, you can draw here directions also. West, east है ना? तो ये क्या? North, south. Okay? Like this.
Okay, sir.
Please. हाँ.
Completed.
sir. Done, sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir.
Note down, no problem. Note down. Yes, everyone finished? Yes, finished?
Done, sir.
Okay,
Done, sir.
right. Next one, see, conditions number 1 finished. What is that? Height, है ना? Height तो हो गया, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, condition number 2. Time period of revolution. Time period of revolution is equal to time period of Earth. Okay. And in bracket, how much rate is? 24 hours. Next condition. What is the next condition? It must revolve from west to east, है ना? Must revolve.
Time period of revolution, sir, or time period of rotation, sir?
No problem, okay?
Sir, yes, sir. Time period of rotation is
Revolution, rotation about its own axis, no problem. Huh? So see, must revolve from west to east, है ना? Must revolve from west to east. ठीक है? Next, speed of revolution is how much? Speed of revolution is around or is 3.1 kilometer per second. Okay, so these are the few conditions. Next one, what are the uses? Uses of this satellite or geostationary satellite. Uses देखो क्या क्या यूज होता है इसका.
Sir, uses of geostationary satellite, sir.
Yes. In that geostationary satellite only conditions and uses. Okay.
For weather purposes.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So see, study the upper layers of the atmosphere. First use. Study the upper layers of atmosphere.
For signals, sir.
Yes, we will write all. Okay. Next, to forecast the changes in the atmosphere. Forecast the changes in atmosphere. Next, use know the size and shape of earth. सही है ना? Next, use identify the minerals and natural resources. Identify the minerals and natural resources.
Meteorology.
Huh?
Meteorology, sir.
Will you please pardon? Yes, what you asked.
Nothing, sir.
By mistake, I did,
Okay.
sir.
Identify the minerals and natural resources present inside and on the surface of earth. ये तो आपको मालूम है ना? Next one. Next, use transmits the, ये तो सबको पता है ना? Transmit the TV programs to distant places, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Sir, phone calls.
Telecommunication. Huh?
Phone calls.
What?
Phone calls, sir.
Telecommunication purpose. Okay. So these are enough, I think so, uses, right? Next one example अगर मैं बोलूं तो क्या बोलेंगे? INSAT, है ना? INSAT group of satellites. INSAT group of satellites is what? Geostationary satellite. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Indian National Satellite. Okay. What is the long form? Indian National Satellite.
Okay.
ठीक है? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Note down.
Done, sir.
Yes. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Polar satellite. What is next one? Polar satellite. Who will tell me what is the polar satellite?
Satellite
The,
revolves
the satellite which revolves around the earth in north with
north to south.
The satellites which move in north and south direction and which is near to the earth.
Yes, very good. तो चलो लिखेंगे, है ना? Yes, what is that? See here. A satellite whose orbital plane is perpendicular to equatorial plane is called polar satellite. है ना? First I will draw the diagram, see how it is. And it will revolve like this. Okay, can you see this? Understood?
Yes, sir.
It will revolve like this. Geostationary satellite was revolving like equatorial plane, है ना? तो ये ऐसे घूमता है, ठीक है? Like Next, see properties. So low altitude है ना, altitude नहीं. Low altitude means height is less है ना, around how much? 500 to 800 kilometer. ठीक है. Next point. North south direction, how it is moving? North south direction, ऊपर से नीचे है ना, और नीचे से ऊपर ऐसे. Next जो है, how much its time period? Period is around 100 minutes, not 24 hours, only 100 minutes. So for one rotation, how much time it is taking? 100 minutes only. So what is the benefit of this satellite? The satellite can view polar and equatorial regions. Means कौन से ये वाले, और जो यहाँ पे है वो polar and equatorial regions at close distances, with good resolution. ठीक है. And one more point I want to add, that is information gathered from polar satellites. Information gathered from polar satellites is extremely useful for remote sensing meteorology as well as for environmental studies. Of the earth. ठीक है. Okay, note down fast.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is such a remote sensing? Sir,
Remote sensing meteorology.
Sir, should we rejoin?
It will not end only. Okay. No need to rejoin. It will go on. Okay. More than 1 hour also it can take. More than 40 minutes particularly. ये जो मेट्रोलॉजी रहता है आपको मालूम है? हाँ, मेट्रोलॉजिकल सर्वे मालूम है ना रे? क्लाउड कवर, क्लाउड मोशन, सरफेस टेम्परेचर,
Yes, sir.
Yes, humidity, temperature, snow and ice cover, ozone and various radiations. That all comes under the category of that only. ठीक है?
Okay,
समझ में
sir.
आया? नोट डाउन करो. यहाँ पे एक काम करो, ये जो डायरेक्शन है ना, ये वेस्ट ईस्ट क्लॉकवाइज हो गया ना, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो गया ना, ये कैसे क्लॉकवाइज है ना, इसको चेंज करो थोड़ा सा, इस डायरेक्शन को आप ऐसे करो, ऐसे वेस्ट से लेके ईस्ट को ऐसे, इस तरफ, ये थोड़ा सा चेंज करो, ये एरो थोड़ा चेंज करो, ऐसे जाता है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बोलेंगे, है ना? ये चेंज करो थोड़ा सा, लाइक दिस. ओके, ऐसे चेंज करो इसको, क्योंकि अगर अर्थ का ये एक्सिस लिए हम लोग, तो अर्थ कैसे रोटेट होता है? अराउंड दिस एक्सिस, समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, ऐसे ऐसे घूमता है वो अर्थ, वेस्ट से लेके ईस्ट को. ये थोड़ा चेंज करो. ओके,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये ऐसे, हाँ, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है ना, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, यस, लाइक दिस. अबाउट अगर एक्सिस है अर्थ का, तो ये ऐसे घूमता है अर्थ हमेशा, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट को, इस तरफ से. हाँ, ये चेंज करो डायरेक्शन. ओके, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you show last page, sir?
यस यस, ये देखो,
Done, sir.
ओके, राइट. तो लेट्स स्टॉप हियर फॉर टुडे. ठीक है, एक बार रिवाइज करो.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
राइट.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, here you wrote remote sensing